find electric field at point E due to charges at the vertices of the equilateral triangle, where the line ED is perpendicular to the plane ABC. That means
Yes.
if I put the plane ABC in my plane of board, my line D to E will be like this marker. Center is D and E is over here, point E.
Yes.
Right? Now if you see, my individual vectors will be directed like this. Okay, individual vectors, electric field due to charge at C will be directed like this. Due to charge at A will be directed like this. Due to charge at B will be directed like this. It makes a diamond kind of a shape with a base of triangle and coming to one particular. Is this clear?
Yes.
Next, let us look at EDA, EDB, these triangles. Okay. Now, if I draw the triangle, okay, suppose look at triangle EDA. ED is perpendicular to the entire plane. Correct? ED
Yes.
is perpendicular. So yeah, if you look at this figure, my ED is perpendicular to EA. Sorry, DA.
Yes.
EA. So basically, my E is here, D is here, and this is my A. Correct?
Yes.
We have to find the distance between A and D. We have to find the distance between A and
E. Yes.
See, you have an equilateral triangle. Now I am showing you how to find the distance A and D. So this is A, D कहीं तो यहाँ पे है. This is B. मैंने क्या किया? I have taken the half of the equilateral triangle.
Yes.
If I have taken half of my bottom, this will be A by 2. Is this clear? पूरा बेस कितना है? पूरा बेस is A. उसका आधा कितना है? आधा is A by 2.
Yeah.
Hypotenuse, by the way, this hypotenuse fellow is already
A. Yes.
This is equilateral triangle, therefore this angle should be 60 degree. Angle ABC, ये B angle जो है 60 degree होना ही चाहिए. I want to.
That up one is 30 degrees.
The up one is 30 degree.
And that is right angle, so it is 90.
90 degree. Now, suppose this point, let us say is F. कौन सा point? Midpoint of B and C, let us say is F.
Yeah.
So, I want to find the length AF. So, let me do sin 60. Okay? तो यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. Sin 60 degree opposite by hypotenuse, right?
Yes.
Opposite is AF divided by hypotenuse is A. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now, therefore, my AF is equal to A times sin 60. Sin 60 कितना होता है? √3 by 2. Is this clear? ठीक है? But I am not interested in total AF. I am interested from A to D only, ना? यहाँ देखो ये A है. A to D ही मुझे पता करना है. Correct?
So A to D will also be A by 2.
No. AF, A to F is A √3 by 2. D is the center of equilateral triangle, not midpoint of AF. इस चीज को, इस डेरिवेशन को ध्यान से सुनो, बिकॉज ये डेरिवेशन भी बार बार हमें यूज आते रहेगा. I want to find the distance between the center of the equilateral triangle and the vertex of the equilateral triangle. That is AD. Correct? What did I do? I extended my AD. It touched at point F.
Yes.
It touched BC at point F. Now I took this AFB triangle over here, which is nothing but half of my equilateral triangle. अब इसमें I found out what is the length of AF is A root 3 by 2, right? Sine 60 is opposite by hypotenuse. Clear? Therefore, AF is A root 3 by 2. Clear?
How did
Sine
you-
60 is AF opposite divided by hypotenuse.
960 root 3 by 2. How did you get A beside that?
This equation, sine 60 is opposite AF divided by hypotenuse AB.
So AF by A. So down, how did you write A3 root 3
So
by
I
2?
cross multiplied this A to the other side.
Okay, yeah.
So A into sine 60 होगा and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So A into root 3 by 2 होगा, which is AF. Next thing is the center of an equilateral triangle divides this AF in 2:1 ratio. Full stop.
Yeah.
Therefore, my AD I can say is 2:1 है ना? So 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Ratio and proportion. So my AD will be 2 divided by 2 plus 1 into total length AF. Correct?
Yeah.
Which is nothing but 2 by 3 of AF. What is AF? A root 3 by 2.
Which is
A by
2A
root
by
3.
root 3 2.
2 also get cancelled.
Yeah, A by root 3.
A by root. So my AD which I wanted to find is A by root 3. In future questions, once you practice this multiple times, in future questions, automatically the distance between the vertex and the center is A by root 3. आप खुद ही बता दो. Is this clear? So in this triangle, I
How
have.
did you find AD?
How did we find
AD in the diagram.
AD, right?
Yeah.
Because it makes 2:1 ratio in the total length of AF. I found AF as A root 3 by 2.
Okay.
So when you say 2:1 ratio, so 2 divided by 2 plus 1 times of total length AF, which is giving me AD.
Got it.
In this figure, what did I write? कहां से देख रहा हूं मैं इसको? इस तरफ से देख रहा हूं. EDA. EDA. Remember, my ED is perpendicular to the triangle. सही है ना? पूरे बोर्ड को it is perpendicular. Correct? Therefore, my ED is perpendicular to AD. ED is perpendicular to AD.
Yes.
Clear? And my AD is A by root 3. My ED is X. ठीक है?
Yes.
What are we finding? We are finding electric field at point E. सही है क्या? Due to what? Due to these charges at ABC.
Yes.
That means A के पास है charge Q. Now, electric field due to charge at A at point E will be along a line joining them और वो उस direction में रहेगा. Correct? Let me say that electric field is point E1. Let us say electric field due to each charge at point E is E1. और वो E1 कैसे रहेगा, अभी अपन ने वो डायमंड वाला बताया, ऐसे, ये ऐसे रहेगा, ये ऐसे.
Yes.
Is this clear? Now, if this angle is theta, I will draw this over here. My E1 is like this, and this line makes an angle theta with the vertical. सही है क्या?
E would be 60 degree.
नहीं, वो हमें कैसे पता? Which angle are we talking of? From A to E जो आ रहा है ना, 3 dimension वाला, ठीक है? The angle made by A to E with vertical. The angle made by A to E with vertical. What is vertical? D to E.
Yes.
What is D to E? D is center and E is out of the board.
Yeah.
So the angle made by E1 along this line with this line is theta. समझ रहे हो ना? Now you already know if this is E1 and this angle is theta, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. So I will have here E1 cos theta, and I will have in this direction E1 sin theta, correct? Next, we have two vertices again. Next वाला triangle क्या आएगा? EDB.
Yes.
अब ये E है, ये E है, ये D है और ये B है. Okay? See again, ED is perpendicular to DB and B has a charge Q. So the electric field at E due to the charge Q will be along the line joining. तो वो इस तरफ रहेगा और ये E1 है.
Yes.
फिर से if this angle makes, that angle will anyways make theta, right? Because of symmetry of my diamond shape.
Yes.
So my electric field E1 will be in this direction, making an angle theta. तो यहाँ पे आएगा E1 cos theta, है ना? सही है क्या? और यहाँ पे आएगा E1 sin theta. Is this clear?
Yes.
Similarly, next triangle is what? ED, which is the third vertex remaining?
That side.
EDA is done, EDB is done. ED,
EDB.
EDC, EDC, EDB भी हो गया.
EDC.
अब EDC बचा है. क्लियर है क्या?
Yes.
तो ध्यान से सुनो.
Vertex would be down.
ध्यान से सुनो, ये एंगल थीटा है, उसके वजह से सेम स्टोरी. अब तीनों में सेम ही स्टोरी है. तो बेसिकली इस तरफ मेरा E1 cos थीटा आएगा और इस तरफ मेरा E1 sin थीटा आएगा.
Sin theta.
Is this clear?
Yes.
I have E1 cos theta due to all three triangles AE, BE, CE. उन सब के वजह से E1 cos theta from D to E, from D to E, from D to E.
You can take common out.
I have E1 cos theta from D to E. D to E is what? This line, right? Coming out of the board. I have three E1 cos thetas I have coming out of the board. Is this clear? Next, what else is happening? If you look at it clearly,
Sin theta.
E1 sin theta, E1 sin theta and E1 sin theta, they are in the plane parallel to the triangle.
Yeah.
And they are making again equilateral triangle vectors, each 120 degree with each other. वो सारे cancel हो जाएंगे. In square also all of them got cancelled. Do you remember that? In triangle also all the three will get cancelled. So my idea is that even sin thetas जो है equilateral triangle कर रहे हैं इसलिए cancel हो जाएगा. Eventually my E bar net at point E will be 3E1
Cos theta.
Cos theta, and it will be k cap.
Yeah, K cap.
Correct?
Yes.
What is E1? E1 is the electric field due to each charge.
Yeah.
So E1 is equal to KQ divided by, what is the hypotenuse? Square root of x square plus a square by 3.
Yes.
Correct? Is this clear? तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? x square plus a square by 3. This is my E1. Correct?
Yes.
Next, what is my cos theta? इसी ट्रायंगल में ले लो, ये x है, ये अंडर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर बाई 3 है, तो cos theta will be adjacent divided by hypotenuse.
So it will be a by root 2.
a by root 2. कहाँ से निकल गया a by root 2? Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent?
X.
What is hypotenuse? Square root of x square plus a square by 3. ये a square by 3 कैसे आया?
Yeah.
a by root 3 whole square will become a square by 3. Correct?
Yes.
So cos theta is what?
X by under root of x square plus a to root.
A square by 3.
Yeah.
Is this clear?
Yes.
So substituting E1, substituting cos theta, eventually final answer लिख रहा हूं मैं, E bar net at point E is equal to 3 AQX divided by x square plus a square by 3 into x square plus a square by 3 whole root. So this is x square plus a square by 3 whole to the power 3 by 2. ठीक है? समझ में आया?
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. If you think this video was useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. See you in the next video.